actually get here, but here it is. So we're happy to have with us Antonio and Mauro from DTS Italy. Yeah. It took a little bit of time to actually finalize this partnership for a couple of reasons. We wanted to make sure on our side that we were making the right choice for the organization. Simultaneously, DTS never really segregated the two catalogs that they have. It was one big catalog, which was rental and production products and architectural products. For us, obviously, we wanted to make the right choice in terms of architectural products. We knew from past experience that we wanted to aim at architectural products that were at a certain level of quality, but also of service. And therefore, that's the reason why we thought DTS was a perfect fit. They service their products well. Engineering is in-house. Antonio will explain how they put together their products and manufacture it. So it is a fantastic fit, and we're extremely excited to have them here with us today. So without further ado, Antonio, so thanks again for being here, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, thank you very much, guys, for staying here. My name is Antonio Parise. I'm the export area sales manager for DTS. I look after North America, South America, some other area in the world. Before starting, we'd like to have a very quick presentation of you people that I don't know. Okay, some of you I know already, but can I start from here, just to understand your position in the company? Okay.
Brand manager for
I know this guy, unfortunately. I know that, I know that. Okay, what about you? I know your face, but I don't remember exactly your position.
Jody, I'm a sales rep for Eastern Canada.
Okay.
Randy Stevens, sales rep for Ontario.
I don't know that guy. Who is that guy? I don't speak.
You don't want to know him.
Who is you? Okay.
So I'm Claudia, I'll be doing the marketing for DTS.
Okay.
Chris Desat and brand management.
Okay, Joy.
John, inside sales for Ontario, specifically Toronto.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Just to have a quick knowledge of you. So let's go. Let's start. So who is DTS? DTS is a Latin company which is manufacturing product in Italy. Every product is made in Italy since 1980. We make professional lighting for entertainment and architectural lighting. Later on, we will see the difference about the two products. Before, we were having a unique catalog. Now we have split it between entertainment and architectural. Just for giving you a rough idea what is our company, what we are doing, we have here a video.
For over 30 years, this 100% Italian company has been developing its own brand of professional lighting projectors, marketing them in over 70 countries worldwide. DTS can ensure a high standard of precision thanks to an optimized vertical integration that centralizes the whole productive process in 3 plants, all located within a single area of 12,000 square meters in the heart of Emilia-Romagna. To be a part of DTS means finding a solution to every lighting necessity. That is why DTS proudly exhibits around the world its Made in Italy brand, as a recognized symbol of manufacturing skills, creativity and quality, daily fulfilled by the passion of its employees, to whom each passing day means winning a new challenge. A challenge that always starts with an idea, which little by little becomes a reality. From the creation of virtual 3D concepts to the physical production of components, until the final stage, when all the elements come together into one final prototype machine. Then the idea takes shape and can finally generate light. But in order to be a top-level company, the spirit of creation is not enough. And the newly developed machines must first and foremost meet the clients' and the market's requirements. That is why DTS constantly expands its creative horizons, searching for new and effective ways to optimize its working processes and keeping a versatile and adapting attitude towards the market's ever-changing tendencies. These are the key factors that allow DTS today to compete at a high level in the market, introducing a great variety of products suitable for a great variety of applications, ranging from the entertainment business to the ever-so-demanding needs of theater and TV, and covering also the more sophisticated and artistic approach of architectural lighting. The quality of DTS products can be further enhanced by a technical assistance service available to work with you on each stage of your lighting project, from the initial design to the final setup. Plus, a skilled team of experts is always ready to guide you towards the best possible solution for your lighting application. Thanks to its dynamic production planning and close relation between its creative labs, DTS is capable to offer you fully customized products. So that each new product reflects the know-how of a dynamic company, a company driven by the passion of its own people, people who work each day to light the show wherever it may be, to bring Italian creativity and beauty into the world.
Okay, from this slide we can see how the products DTS are divided. The field is most of the field is in entertainment, but in the entertainment we also put the theater products. The theater product actually is not only entertainment but also architectural, because some products can be used in museum, for example. They are very compact, and many people are asking to have it also in the architectural side. So I would say that at the moment the market is divided 50%, 50% between architecture and entertainment products. So, what is the real value of DTS? What we really can offer to the customer? First of all, we are going to offer the solution. So not only the product. Of course, the product is important, but most of the times today we found ourselves to struggle with the people to find the right solution. So what we do a pre-sales consulting that Mauro will explain you later, and then we are able to make also the customization of the product. We have 3 years of warranty, and then we are offering an attention at the after-sales assistance. Basically, we can go on site and check that everything in the project has been done in the right way. So, I was saying we have a high qualified in-house team, which is headed by Mauro, which will every time give the right solution. DTS can make some prototype, he can design some specific product based on the projects. We are also ISO 9001. How do you say in English? ISO or ISO? ISO? Another body? ISO 9001. ISO. I don't know the pronunciation. Sorry for my bad English. But then we are speaking about the quality that we can offer. First of all, DTS is doing a very selected bin about the LED. The bin is basically the selection that we can offer for the LED source. And moreover, we have this automatic LED color calibration, which is a kind of dark room where we put each product that it has been before assembled and then tested. And after this procedure, we put in this dark room, there is a camera which is detecting all the colors, the spectrum of the colors of the device. It's sending this information to a computer. This computer is balancing all the temperature color, and it's sending back to the product. In this way, you will always have a product which have exactly the same temperature color. Today, and also in 3 months, 1 year, 3 years, you're going to have always exactly the same color. Of course, as you know, we are speaking about LED products. So after 1 year, 2 years, all LED products are losing lighting. Okay, so maybe you can have the similar temperature color, but you will never have exactly the same temperature color. This is not depending from DTS, it's the LED technology. What more? This, we can go ahead. Okay, this is a little bit of history about the DTS. We started in 1980. We were making really simple products in lighting. We were basically making chassis for lighting. We were not making any lighting. It was a metal box company. Then, step by step, we have seen that we could do something by ourselves. And in 1982, we have launched the Parcan, that most of you knows already. We had a big success, and we have made the production of this product from 1982 until 2016, more or less. Then we have dismantled the production because it was a very old product, but we had a big success for this product. The other big success was in 2005, launching the first LED color changing moving head with motorized pan and tilt, IP65. Before us, no one had this product. We were really the first one to make it. Of course, before there was SGM, as someone of you knows already, but SGM was doing a product, a color changer, IP65, but not with motorized pan and tilt. Then it arrived DTS, and then of course, also the other competitor brands made this kind of products. Then in 2006, we have made the first projector for recessed installation. So here we started to enter more in the architectural market. In 2008, we have launched the first controller power supply, Z8, which was controlling the single device. 2010, we have launched the first underwater product, RGB type 3036. So yes, we have also a line for underwater, for using for fountain or swimming pool or other things underwater. Then the latest news is nowadays, 2018, we are applying the special treatment and finishing for all the products. Let's say most of the products. So anti-corrosion, tropicalization, and others. here we have some videos which explain you some application that we have done with our products. Sparta Stadium in Holland. It's something that we will see later with Mauro for speaking more about these products. It has been used the dragnet, which Mauro will explain you in details later on. We've been using the Helios bronze, which is underwater product. Our underwater product can be used also outside the water. You are not obliged to put it inside water to cool it down. This is a Carlsberg city in Denmark. Here is a special application that they needed a special light, white and amber light. So we have customized this product on purpose for them. It's called the Golden Portals. This is the bridge in Dubai, Sheikh Zayed Bridge. Also in this case we have been using some underwater products. The designer needed a product that should not stay inside the water but at contact with water anyway, and it was the right solution to use our underwater products. All our products are RGB white as a standard, full color. This is another tower in Denmark. Also in this case we've been using the Force 33 full color, RGB white, with its dragnet. Okay. So let's have a look now at the main products that DTS can offer in the architectural segment. So we have the outdoor products. Most of them are IP65, but we have also some products IP67 based on the request of the customer. All of them they can have a selectable beam angles, so you can apply between the narrow to the widest lens kind. And then you can choose to have the power supply on board or remote control. Basically, most of the product they have already a power supply inside the product, but in the case the customer needs to have a power supply separated for a matter of space or maybe for saving some money, we can use the dragnet, the one that we have seen before, and Mauro will explain in details later on. Basically, this product that we use it here. It's a power supply which you can supply the power to the devices up 100 meters. So here we have a scroll of some products. Now we are looking for the Force 100 dynamic. These are the Force 100 power solo. So there are various LED bar based on the kind of job that you have to do. The brick and brick, which are color changer, LED par IP67, Helios, EOS, and others. Then we have also the indoor lighting, very compact, versatile, because you can have in different shape and in different LED configuration and lens configuration. And then the underwater that we were speaking before, IP68, of course. Also in this case you can select different beam angles, and also in this case you can have the power supply on board, or you can have the power supply remote. This is the digital drive net power supply that we were speaking before. They can supply until 100 meters, as I was saying before, is interfacing with ArtNet and LAN control. We have a different range of drive net between 4 to 64 channels based on the use.
Antonio, is ArtNet proprietary to DTS?
Excuse me?
Is ArtNet proprietary to DT?
Yes, yes, yes.
No.
It's general.
Oh, it's a general protocol. Okay, all right.
It's the standard one, no?
Yeah, no,
Okay.
he talks.
Yeah, I meant is it unique to you? That's all.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is kind of drive net that I told you before. Okay, here we have some videos for some application that we have done. Some of them we have seen before in the application, but there are some more to see. This is a fountain in Kuwait City with underwater products. We have also made installation in China. Yes, we sold products in China. This is happened. Athens, Cosmopolitan headquarters. This is one of the latest installation that we've done in Holland. This one that we have seen already before. This is a very, very nice club in Switzerland, and this is the cruise ship, one of the cruise ships that we have done recently. World Trade Center, we just have lighting up the top, the antenna, that's all. And this is the Virgen del Panecillo in Ecuador. We have illuminated a very famous monument. And this is Alfa Romeo Museum. We have done also the Ferrari Museum, but for, how do you say, I don't know the word, we can't show the pictures. We are not allowed to show the pictures. Okay, I think that's all.